are pavers a good value? Installed right, pavers will be there longer than the house. Lifespan of concrete is 15 years. Asphalt less than that, they may be more expensive on the front end, but given the curb appeal, resale value, and lifespan, it's worth it. Where can you put pavers? Patios, driveways, sidewalks. Overall patio, driveways, and sidewalks. We call that overlaying. How do pavers install? We install both permeable and non-permeable. On most residential new installs, to get the best of both worlds, we install hybrid. What makes us better than the rest? We use technology to give a better product, online and on-site. We use machines to lay the blocks to save labor and give you a better quality job. Trained craftsmen using good equipment. Let us walk you through how we work together. Important information we need. Address of project. Project scope. Photos of current space and inspiration images. Day and time. You can meet for an online Zoom call. On the Zoom call, we will get a lot done. We will review your photos and use satellite imagery of your property to see the area and measure with precision. We import the overhead image into our hardscape design software. In the design software, we will begin to create a great design while you watch. From that design, within moments, we can provide cost for your budget. We will provide a list of materials to show you how we can best serve you. Photos and address. When you send photos of the areas, try to make them the best you. Don't worry, you don't have to be a pro, but the photos do serve as a good reference when we use the mapping software. Project scope. We focus on hardscape including pavers, walls, patio, and synthetic turf. While we are there, we will help drainage, grading, landscaping, and demo. Overhead imagery. Satellite imagery is now very accurate. We subscribe to a mapping service that provides current overhead photos and enables us to ensure your property within 6. Design software. While we are on the Zoom call, we will share our screen with you and collaborate to build you badass outdoor space. Within minutes, you'll see your new outdoor space. Once we talk about material, we can talk about budget. Budgeting. Our design software will provide a preliminary budget. Usually we can close job and send a contract immediately. Sometimes projects will require a site visit to finalize before sending out a contract. Contact us now for exceptional pavers installation services. Ready to transform your outdoor space into a captivating masterpiece? Don't wait any longer. Contact our premier pavers installer company today and take the first step towards achieving the landscape of your dreams.